lights went down, when you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world, broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life, equip my soul, find the real gold, I'll fulfill what I started.
Good morning, Foxies. Today is 24th of June 2024 and finally I could get up out of my nostalgia. Yesterday was an absolute calm and peaceful day. We just kept on getting immersed in the nostalgia that we all could create on the night of 22nd June, which is the mother of all socials. I simply wanted to thank each and every one of you from the core of my heart for making this event a real grand success, and my sincere thanks to the team captain of the Foxtrot Squadron this year, Major General Ulhas Kirpekar, and the ever charming Brigadier Amit Dheer. Amit really lived up to his name. What I saw him when he first joined the Foxtrot Squadron and till date, and he's my staff college postmate, he has not changed. And the firepower that I always see in General Kirpekar, very calm, very quiet, and always delivering to the perfection. I think it was a dream team which came together and could deliver this jam, but it wouldn't have been possible without all the 250 plus of you who actually spared your valuable time and gave your best energy onto the venue. Many new records, many new revelations, many things which we never knew in the last 15 odd years that we've been getting around as Foxies came to the fore. We saw two real brothers from the 24th and the 26th course, the Karcha brothers, come together, bringing their clan also along, and what a wonderful example they set. The thunderous speech by Lieutenant General D.V. Kalra from the 5th course, I think is going to echo in many years, for many years to come. It was fabulous to see Air Vice Marshal Pan retaining his youthful gesture and delivering the keynote address to the entire gathering. The only thing probably we missed, and my apologies Kirpekar sir, that you had to speak. Your speech we just could not do because by that time I think the nostalgia had kind of exploded all around. We saw two brother-in-laws from the 93rd course. Now that was again a revelation. So Colonel Bahuguna, Ritunjay Bahuguna, if you're hearing this message, congratulations. You both formed a wonderful relation in the Foxtrot Squadron. I think we'll just put it down into the history. Captain Rohan Kini, you came all the way from Mumbai, and many thanks to you, and your father-in-law is from the 41st course of Foxtrot Squadron. So I think amazing facts on the ground, many new relationships. I saw two gentlemen who were meeting after 45 years. Now that's the kind of spirit that you all actually brought onto that floor in the Manekshaw Center, and I'm sure that if the Field Marshal was looking at from somewhere on top, I think he would have been really proud. We really wanted to say thanks to one man who was not present in that arena that night. It was Wing Commander Unni Kartha. We lost him this year. His loss is going to remain permanent with us. He's the one who would actually stir the emotions, but nevertheless, wherever he is, he would have been thrilled. And the lucky man on the ground that day was Squadron Leader A.S. Dhinsa from the 128th Foxtrot. The youngest Fox on the ground always gets the maximum number of blessings, and I think Dhinsa, you really made our day very special by driving all the way from Sirsa and then heading back to your duty station to take over your duties. I think that's the best example of a great Fox, that he parties hard but he works harder. So all the best to you, and I think all the Foxies definitely would be again blessing you. Stay in touch, buddy, and see you for many socials, many Fox socials, and hope one day you would have got the lesson and you would be organizing and we would be attending. Great time. Thank you, Dean sir. Well, this video would not be complete without saying a gracious thanks to Major General Alok Berry, who became the senior most serving officer on the ground that day. And what a wonderful speech you gave, sir. We have recorded it and it will be in the Fox archives. And to Captain RP Singh of the Foxtrot 71st course, who came all the way from Ghaziabad, cancelling all his programs. He had to go out of station. But RP sir, I don't know how many watched, but I saw that night you cheered each and every word that was spoken. Ultimate Josh, sir. It was ultimate Josh. I think, your hurrays were actually the ones which were stirring the emotions on the ground. Overall, I think a magnificent evening, and I think a real tribute to each and everyone from the Foxtrot Squadron. And every time we do these kind of jams, I think it leaves a very strong message behind that it will happen again in the future. And we don't know when, but yes, maybe next year, next to next year, but definitely we'll do it. And New Delhi does become a very powerful center where the Fox Jams do happen because of its location and because of the presence of the serving and the retired, and this is a place which every time actually can break a lot of records. So the maximum that we've had is 389 in 2012. That was a massive one, but then we chased people all across, and we really kind of pulled them into that ground, and I think many of them who attended will never forget that night. So even the 22nd June 2024 night is not going to be forgotten. It was marvelous and wonderful. The singers, and the in-house rock stars of Foxtrot Squadron, Mrs. Neelu Kalsi, wife of Brigadier Kuldeep Kalsi, she really set the stage on fire with her wonderful singing. And of course, Group Captain Gurdeep Singh, he's a natural star. So that has given an idea that the next Fox Jam can be called as the Fox Musical Jam. And Major General Mandeep Kohli was very much there from Kasauli, and we just couldn't put the general on the stage with the mic. But I think, sir, when we have the Fox Musical Jam, the next version, it's all going to be the in-house Foxies who are going to rock that particular night. We'll get some of the best musicians to play along with you all. So in all, a wonderful time that we had. The Foxtrot t-shirts were hit. Kapil Tuli, great job done there. And Taposh, your patches and your label pins are really going to be in a solid demand when people see, and when we drive with those stickers on the rear of our cars and the front of our cars. In fact, today when I start back from my office, my sticker would be right there. So a lot of people are going to demand those stickers. So I think a great time, and let's get back together again. And let's not forget the Star Foxies, brilliantly led by Wing Commander Unni Kartha, Foxtrot 37 from Valhalla, definitely would have blessed us all. So see you around, folks, during the next jam session. Now all that is left for me and Amit to do is to do the accounting and put up the audit sheet in front of you in a couple of days. I intend to go on a Ladakh trip, partial Ladakh trip, in another 2 days time. So I would like to finish that before I put the Grey Fox on the road towards the Spiti Valley. So see you, folks, and a great time. Thanks a lot.
And I still remember the day he did in the boxing ring. He went and the best boxer of NDA that time, BSK, who retired as Army Commander, and he went and studied. He had him on the ropes.
This spirit should permeate, should last, should be strengthened, and I'm glad you're all contributing to it. Please see to it this legacy continues. This legacy must last. From here onwards, you must see more and more foxes coming and joining, and bringing the vixens and the cubs also along, and make this wonderful family. You know, something remarkable I've noticed here coming here today. There are some people whom I've known as children of my colleagues. I used to always know them as the children or the grandchildren of my colleagues. But now I know them. May God bless you all. Thank you so much.
Lovely. Very good. Lovely.